In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get rid of message sending problems on TikTok. So stay with us till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so currently I'm over on my TikTok and let's go to inbox and I'm going to message any of the person from my friend list. Once I get to inbox, let's jump to this guy. So I'm going to message anything, and you can see the message could not be delivered to him. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that your TikTok must be up to date. So if it is not updated, so go to your Google Play Store and simply update the application to the latest version of the TikTok so that you can access all the features in it. If the problem is still not fixed, the second thing you need to do is to go to your profile. And once you're in your profile, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner and head to settings and privacy. Once you're here, go to the second option, the privacy, just head to that and simply scroll down and head to direct messages. Now your direct messages must be selected to friends or maybe suggested friends or everyone so that you can message any of the person. So I'm going to set it friends for now, and now I'm going to back again and message the same guy, and boom, you can see our message has been delivered. So this is basically how you can get rid of message sending problems over on TikTok. So all for today's video, guys. Make sure to give this a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.